Jeep Gladiator, Gen C Chattanooga. You got the pods, you got the dual row slims, and you got the Flow Series LEDs. Completely separate, independent chips than the actual white, so that way your white is as bright as can be and as white as can be, but your colors are in perfect color. And our kits basically come with everything you need. You can actually install up to 4, maybe 6 pods on the same controller with 1 or 2 or 3 LED light bars. Different sizes, we have them in stock. Thanks for watching, but just to give you an idea of what the white looks like, all we got to do is turn this off, turn these on, and now the whites. Ooh. Obviously it's too bright to be shot from the front, but it gives you an idea. Like I said, purely independent white chips, so that way the white is actually a white output color. Thanks for watching.